Well, it's snowing again. What is up, guys? Gas Car Go. And now this is going to be the second weekend in a row that we've had snow. This is now our third snowstorm. I just got to Queens. It's Friday the 15th. And staying out here for the weekend. And we got snow, as you can see. Snowing again. So it snowed on Wednesday morning, and then Thursday morning it snowed, and we didn't get even that much. This we got more. This is more than last weekend. So this is just a short update. There'll be more videos coming up. This is gonna be posted either up tonight or tomorrow, probably Saturday. So if you like the video, thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.